Hello, guys. Hello, 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 hello. It has been a day. 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 Make sure we're in the right group, because I don't know where I'm at. Oh, there you are. We're in the right group. So, we did over the weekend what I was warming, I guess, and using in the house. Guess what? I got a pile of what I've started to use. And then, yes, so we have a training twice a year. First of all, I'm on this fancy new stand and I feel like super fancy, but you can't see it. But just know that I feel really fancy. So, twice a year, we have a Scentsy training. The spring and summer one for the spring and summer catalog is always somewhere somewhat local to multiple locations. So, there's multiple trainings all over the place. And ours is usually in like Cincinnati or Columbus or Louisville, Lexington, something like that. All right. So, this year it was in Columbus, and when you go, you always get like a box, a bag, something of goodies. Then we have our fall and winter training, and that one is the big training, one location. That's usually when I go away. Like I went away to Orlando last year. I've been to Kansas City. I've been to Austin, Texas. I've been to Salt Lake City. I have my Austin, Kansas City, Salt Lake City, Charlotte, and Orlando are the places that I have been. And this year I'll be going to Minnesota, to Minneapolis. That's where I'll be going this year. But when we went to World Tour, was what we call our spring and summer version, we got a goodie bag, all kinds of stuff. So I got the little testers. That's what we call those little plastic things, the little things. I don't have any up here. The little round things that our wax is in so that we can smell them, send them to other people, things like that. So we get testers, we got catalogs, we got a bar of Island Bloom. We got a special fragrance flower that I'm holding back to show you guys because it kind of ties into Mother's Day. So it's really exciting. So I got that. And we got the new $30 warmer. So remember, we have the $25 minis, right? We all know what those are. We have the $25 non-mini, but mini priced warmers. That one is the white fluted, that's in the whiff box. The black one, white fluted is this way with the stripes. Black fluted is this way. And the fleur-de-lis, that one is $25. Those are all $25. And I say they're mini but non-mini because they're mini priced at $25, but they're not a mini warmer. Coaster size, they're a little nugget of a warmer. Then we have the $30 warmer that is the Simply Diamond, which is beautiful. Again, full-size warmer, nugget of a price, beautiful, stunning, and just simple. Well, we added a new one, and I have not opened this yet. So I thought I would pop on here and we're going to look at it and see what it looks like together. Again, $30. Let's see what we get. So, oh, 4-cube dish. Can we see the 4? Yeah, 4 cubes. That's like top of the top size dishes for a tiny little price. So I love that. I'm gonna have to cover my desk to plug it in. Oh, she's cute. She's cute and she's tiny. It's giving me sea glass vibes. So it's called Bubble Blue. You've got the little bumps on the side, you know that they are popped out. And it's a very pretty blue. It's about the size of a bar. That's how tall it is. Wide. Just about the edge of a bar. Like if I put the one end to end, this part is not there. So it's not huge by any means, but it's still like a great size. All right. Let me tell you, I hate crawling under my desk. I should probably figure out a way that I don't have to do that, but And I didn't think that far ahead. All right, hold on. And it is, let me look. Did you know? So on the bulbs, it's not going to be able to see on here. I'm going to look like an old person. Ready? On your bulb, it actually says on it what wattage it is. So it says 120-20 watt. So this is a 20 watt bulb. So not only does it say it on the bulb, what size a bulb your warmer takes, it usually says it on this tag. Yeah. Right down there. It says, see where it says 20 watt? And then 20 watt, and then some say on the bottom. This one does not say anywhere, but some of them do say on the bottom. So 3 different locations that say what size bulb your warmer takes. But if you don't know, just message me and I can usually figure out what size bulb you take. But it's so funny because she goes to be like, it's a normal warmer. Our warmers take either a 25, a 20, or an Edison bulb, and then the mini warmers take the 15 watt bulb. So when you guys tell me it's a normal size warmer, it can mean 2 different bulb sizes. All right, let me pop into here. Hold on. Oh. Okay. Woo. All right. Cross my legs because I can. Ready? It's pretty. It's very oceany. Like it is giving me ocean vibes for sure. And I will say that it's hard to see. You can kind of see it's really bright up here. It's still bright. The whole thing is a very bright warmer, but it is lighter up here and darker down here. But if we turn it off, it is all relatively the same color. Maybe it's a little bit darker at the bottom, but not much. But yeah, very oceany for sure. I just love it. It's cute. It's little. It's tiny, but it is a full-size warmer. It is a 4-cube dish. That is a full-fledged big booty warmer. But it's simple and it's cute. And I love it when they have normal dishes. When I say normal dishes, because sometimes some of our warmers have like some crazy wackadoodle dishes. And so if a dish breaks, yeah, out of luck. Do you know what I mean? So I like when it is a normal dish. This one back here. See? Normal dish. I like when they're normal dishes so that I can get a replacement if I break it. But I have all the Harry Potter and Disney stuff and those don't have any normal dishes whatsoever. So, but yeah, there you go. This is a Bubble Blue, the brand new $30 warmer. So there you go. I decided to pop on and show you guys that real quick. I will come live this weekend as far as I know. Who knows what the world is going to do. My life is so crazy right now. But my plan is to come on this weekend and let you guys know what scents I have been warming through the week. If that is something that you guys have enjoyed, like I did it last week, if you guys kind of like it, let me know and I'll keep doing it. If you're like, that's really stupid, please let me know and I won't do it anymore. So just let me know. Give me some feedback and we will go from there. So have a good rest of your whatever day it is. Today is Wednesday. Have a good rest of your Wednesday. And if you're in my area, supposedly there's like a chance of thunderstorms with tornadoes and stuff. So fingers crossed that we don't have any of that. So stay tuned. Bye.